Top of the morning, Randy. I'm into this Troubador here. So we had a blown fuse and a dead pilot lamp bulb. Kind of cool. I don't know if it'll capture this, but if you can kind of, if I can get this thing to focus. This is original. An antique glass has little imperfections in it. There's a certain type of distortion that's very characteristic of this type of glass. And you'll see it on old houses as well, where from a steep angle, you'll see a bit of a waviness in the reflections of the glass itself. And this bulb has that. It also has, so cool, the old T3 47 stamp on it. So we have a new fuse in, a 2 amp fuse, and a new pilot lamp bulb. So I actually got to see that illuminate. So this thing is sitting on the current limiter currently. So your 5Y3 rectifier is roasted, 100% certain on that. Now, is it roasted because it's just roasted, or is it roasted because this filter cap right next to it is shorted and it's pulling excess current through it? In either case, it needs to be replaced, but I just thought you'd like to see what some of the fireworks look like inside of the glass envelope. So stand by. Again, it's on a protective circuit, so the rest of your amp is fine. I just want you to see this. That's it. If you see that, it's just done for. Don't reuse it. You just throw them away. This could be your power tubes. This could be your rectifier tube. In any case, if you see that, you just throw them away because they're done. So let's move you here. And let's see if I can get a little bit of this captured, this old Sylvania. Yeah, very cool old 6v6 tube complement. We have one like the smoke glass, and then the other one here, less so. But both from the same family of tubes. So very cool. I'm gonna test, and there's no doubt that I'm gonna have to do a full cap job on this, but I just thought you'd find it interesting. And then for you guys who want to see what the bulb does in a short condition, and now we're at the point now where the tube rectifier is just completely dead. And the light that you're seeing here from the bulb, which was glowing wildly just a moment ago, is now a very dim and warm glow in a filament, because it's only drawing current through the filament circuit, or the winding inside of the power transformer. There's no more current flowing through these old caps because this rectifier is completely dead. Even you'll notice that the heaters are glowing nicely on this rectifier and this old 5Y3. So I do have a spare over here at La Casa. And there you go. She's a beautiful girl. And she's gonna sing like one too.